Post Call Times Live 30. My colleague Hina Gambhir and I will get you this show as well. The side show of this entire controversy is a fight between actor Kangana Ranaut and Shiv Sena's.
Okay, and now the fight between Kangana and Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut has taken a fresh twist after the centre approved Y category security for Kangana Ranaut. Now this has come amidst the controversy sparked by Sanjay Raut, where he threatened Kangana from entering Mumbai. Raut also used some unparliamentary language against Kangana and in fact is now adamant over not apologizing to her. Listen in.
एक्शन का रिएक्शन होता है। कंगना रनावत को इस तरह के अल्फाज नहीं बोलना चाहिए। वो वहाँ से आकर के अपने स्टेट से आकर के महाराष्ट्र में रोज़ी रोटी कमाती है। हम सब लोग महाराष्ट्र में रोज़ी रोटी कमाने हैं। भले हमें पैदा करने वाला स्टेट कोई है, लेकिन रोज़ी रोटी देने वाला हमारा महाराष्ट्र है। महाराष्ट्र का अपमान हम कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते। उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र को कह दिया मिनी पाकिस्तान। उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र की पुलिस के ऊपर, महाराष्ट्र सीएम को, सबके ऊपर हस्तक्षेप किया। बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड, अहंकार भरा हुआ है। तो मैं समझता हूं कि ऐसे लोगों को बिल्कुल सिक्योरिटी नहीं देना चाहिए। उनको कहते हैं ना, अपने स्टेट में जाओ, वहीं काम करो। अगर तुमको महाराष्ट्र मुंबई तुमको मिनी पाकिस्तान लगता है तो यहाँ आने की जरूरत क्या? तुम जाओ वहीं पर, तुम पाकिस्तान चली जाओ।
ये तो वो कह रही हैं कि जो इस तरह से नेता यहाँ के कह रहे हैं वो तो एक धमकी है कि मैं आ ही नहीं सकती। ऐसे कैसे कोई बोल?
नहीं, महाराष्ट्र का अपमान जो करेगा उसको धमकी, वो जो भी समझे, महाराष्ट्र का जो अपमान करेगा उसको महाराष्ट्र में रहने का कोई राइट नहीं होना चाहिए।
All right, so that was a reaction, Athar, that Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi gave. Even he is saying that Kangana should not be living in Mumbai if she thinks that Mumbai is like Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. A comment that actually sparked this entire controversy.
Oh, absolutely. What Sanjay Raut said, Hina, is indefensible. That's unparliamentary language, unsavory words. He should have known better. It cannot be defended at all. The critics who are pointing out that Kangana made a juvenile remark may have a point. It's a democracy. You can disagree with each other, but coming down to language such as this is absolutely unwarranted. We are getting, I think, some reactions on this story, which has now become a sort of a sideshow here.
That's
Let's take a look.
Yes, we have a reaction, in fact, coming from the Congress party. Politics over security for Kangana is happening. Congress is opposing security cover that has been given to Kangana Ranaut. Congress has made it about votes now. Shama Mohammed of the Congress party has put out a tweet, and I quote, "Someone who calls Mumbai as POK gets Y+ category security from the BJP government, which includes 1 personal security officer and 11 armed policemen. Mumbaikars, please remember this when you go to vote next time." So clearly, Congress party making it political, the security cover that has been given to Kangana.
There you go. Kangana Ranaut, of course, had expressed some sort of trepidation after these threats were given to her online, as well as certain members of the Shiv Sena women's wing who had said they wouldn't let Kangana enter Mumbai. Mohit Sharma joins us now with more on this. Mohit, the centre has now designated Kangana Ranaut a Y category protectee, and politics, as was inevitable, follows.
Well, Atha, the point here is very clear. Now, on one hand, we've seen that there had been multiple claims, multiple objectionable statements which had been pouring in rather against Kangana Ranaut. And while she was very adamant that she would be coming back to Mumbai on 9th of September, it's just ahead of this that the centre has in fact given her Y category of security cover. Of course, she's tweeted about it as well, thanking the centre government, going to the tune of saying that, had it been somebody else, possibly, had it been some other government, it would have been possible that the person, in the epicenter would have been asked to, reschedule their visit to a particular location. But in terms of her security, the centre has obviously taken cognizance of the kind of statements that have been coming in, and obviously taken a decision to ensure that she is safely protected throughout.
Okay, now Athar, Y category security is normally given if there is a threat perception. Now, with what has happened over the last few days between Kangana Ranaut and Shiv Sena, Sanjay Raut, perhaps, the government here in New Delhi felt that, Kangana should be given some kind of a security, because various kinds of abuses were hurled at her. We saw many from B-Town also coming out and supporting her and slamming Shiv Sena, but yet Shiv Sena went ahead and called her a mental woman today. yesterday. In fact, said that she's an outsider. If she feels so, she has no right to come in Mumbai.
The kind of attack on Kangana, of course, is reprehensible. The fact that she's gotten threats on her life, she's been called names, all of that, of course, is part of public life. But the fact that the member of parliament, Hina, who represents the Shiv Sena in parliament, should have known better. He has refused to relent. In fact, you mentioned the Samna article today as well. It has doubled down on their opposition to Kangana. Now, as I mentioned before, Hina, it's a democracy. You can disagree with each other. You can also, in fact, chide people for their ideology, for what they say, but threatening to physically harm Kangana, which she was threatened by the women's wing of the Shiv Sena, is absolutely unacceptable, and on the basis of which ostensibly the centre has decided there is a threat perception as far as Kangana returning to Mumbai is concerned, and she's been given Y category protection, which also includes, as Shama Mohammed pointed out right now, 11 armed personnel as well. I believe we have some more reactions. Twitter is going berserk over this controversy.
Another Shiv Sena MLA, Pratap Sarnaik, has also reacted on this story. In fact, he has compared this entire situation with that of Daud. Let's listen in.
कंगना के ऊपर उनका बहुत ही प्यार उभर के आया है। आज मैंने सुना है कि केंद्र ने और हिमाचल प्रदेश ने कंगना जी को वाई कैटेगरी की सिक्योरिटी भी दर्ज की है। उनको क्या लगा मुंबई पुलिस के ऊपर आज भी भरोसा नहीं लग रहा है। उन्होंने तुरंत वाई कैटेगरी की सिक्योरिटी दी है। यानी महाराष्ट्र में और खासकर मुंबई में कोरोना का इतना हाहाकार हो रहा है, उस दौरान हमारे पुलिस 24 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं। हमारे बहुत सारे पुलिस बेचारे मर गए, फिर भी उस पुलिस के ऊपर वो उनका भरोसा नहीं है। और केंद्र सरकार इसी तरह से अगर बार बार ध्यान देती रहेगी तो मुझे रहता है कि अगर महाराष्ट्र में दाऊद के खिलाफ अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल आदमी बोलता है तो दाऊद को भी जेड कैटेगरी या वाई कैटेगरी की सिक्योरिटी देने के लिए केंद्र की सरकार बिल्कुल अचरज नहीं करेगी, क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र में हमारी महाविकास आघाड़ी का सरकार है और शिवसेना के मुख्यमंत्री है।